Okay, welcome back, everybody. Now we're going to go over the app itself and the basic layout, functions overview, and get you started so you can get using your app right away. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is the home page of the 5LINK Select app, okay? And a couple things I want you to notice is first thing right here, we're going to go over the layout. This right here is an interactive window, okay? This is like a website slider, and what you're going to see coming is a series of sliders that are always going to have whatever the next big event is that's going on within the 5LINK system. The second thing you're going to also be able to see is a promotional display about the hottest product that's going on or whatever maybe the specials are going on that's being promoted at 5LINKs. Another thing that we're going to be able to do one day as well is we're going to be able to recognize performance with this window. So it's a great feature. It's going to help you keep in the know of whatever the next event is, what the hottest promotions going on, and also you could actually be recognized on this app possibly as we go forward, okay? And then again, down here are the 6 core marketing functions, okay? And as I told you, we've got 6 main functions. These are the actual buttons that are going to help you go through that 5-step system. The prospect button is going to help you pique interest, okay? The library is going to help you continue piquing interest by providing supporting information, which is going to help you sort, who's really watching your videos, who's taking a look at what you have to offer, and who's not. Then, of course, if they're interested in the business, we've got the innovative 3-way call feature. We're going to talk about that. Then we're going to kick on over and show you how to go ahead and put events into the system and all the features about the massive event system. Very powerful system all on its own. Then, of course, the presentations. These are going to be the videos that when it comes time to get the prospect the information they need to have to decide whether they're coming into business, this is where you're going to get it from. It's got its own button to make sure you know where to go and grab it right when you need it. And then, of course, enroll, as we talked about. But also up here in the upper left, I want to show you we've got what I call the admin menu, okay? And the administrative menu has a lot of sections in it that are great. Right here is the alerts button. The alerts button is going to be where whenever you get a push message and an email of somebody watching a video and how long they're watching it, okay, that push message you're getting that Steve Smith is now watching the video, okay, that's going to come into your app under notifications just like other pushes. It's also going to be backed up by an email, so you can't the text messages that come in. So you can click on it, and it's going to show you whether somebody's video viewed something, whether somebody's attending an event, whether they visited a link and went on over to your replicated website. This is what alerts is all about, okay? So let's get on back into the menu. Training, this is where you're going to see these videos that we're doing. You know that because you clicked on it and you're watching the training. That's where all the training videos are going to be. Then we have a product section where we go over and have what products are available at 5LINKs. And it's a great place for you to be able to show a prospect and give them some information when you're right there in front of them and they want to see some of the products you have to offer. Testimonials, great place. That's where we're going to have the testimonials that people are having a great time with the products that you offer. Profile. This is very important. Let me tap on the profile, okay? This is important that when you log in, the first time you log in, you want to go immediately to profile. Make sure you have your first name, last name. Make sure your RIN number is here, your ID number. That's your RIN number, okay? Your zip code's good. Make sure your country is good. Make sure the email is correct and the telephone number, and again, your RIN number. I don't have a RIN number. Everybody's looking at this going, what is this information? Okay, if I was a rep in 5LINKs, I would have my RIN number in here. During the enrollment process, you're going to put that in, and we're going to autofill it. But I want to make sure that you double-check all this information because it's very important when it comes to enrolling, redirects to your website, as well as your contact information on all the messaging you're going to be sending your prospects. So that's the profile button. So I want to make sure you know that, and you get right there, and that's the profile. About is just what version of the app you have. It's only really needed whenever you're talking to our customer service people. Contact, though, is a good one, okay? So under the contact button, what you've got is the ability here to go ahead and contact us when you have a problem, okay? I think I have a bad load in here right now. Nope, here we go. Okay, so the contact button right here, this is what you want to do. When you have a problem or you got a question about the app that's not about 5LINKs business, you contact 5LINK, you got a problem with your account. But if you have a question about the 5LINK Select system, you want to click on this email right here. It'll grab your email. Go ahead and send us what it is you need. I highly recommend you always put in your name. You put in what kind of phone you're on. Hey, I'm on an iPhone 5S, or I'm on an Android Galaxy 7. Tell us what you're on. Tell us what problem you have with as much details as you can, and we'll take care of it for you, okay? So that's what the contact button's about. And then last, log out. Hey, you don't have to log out, okay? Please don't feel like you ever have to log out. You don't ever have to log out, but it's there if you really want to, okay? So that's a brief overview of the app. So these are your core marketing features. This is our interactive window. And again, up here is our administrative section that we talked about. And again, you can check them all out. And that's what it's all about on your 5LINK Select, okay? So we're done. We're now going to get into how to use the app. So I want to thank you for watching this brief display of how the app is set up. And we'll talk to you real soon on how to get started with peaking interest in prospecting and contact management. Thank you.